Hi, I'm Shubham. I am from BharatNXT. We are a fintech based out of Mumbai. So we cater to MSMEs in India with their day-to-day short-term working capital needs. At BharatNXT, I look at MoEngage. The whole customer life cycle is something which I handle at BharatNXT. So one of the challenges with our base, right? So we typically our customer segment comes from tier two and tier three cities of India. They are businesses which typically have a turnover of less than 2 crores, and they on a day-to-day basis they face working capital needs. Let's say if I want to make a payment to someone, at that time I don't have the right amount of capital with me. So this is what we are solving at BharatNext. We are trying to cater to these MSMEs and SMEs in India with their day-to-day working capital needs. And one of the prime thing which Moeng is helping us solve it is through personalization. So the latest feature, which is the offerings and the decisioning module, is also something which we have implemented at BharatNext, and through that, helping or we are able to target customers with the right set of cross-selling and upselling products which we have for their day-to-day working capital needs. Recently, there was a campaign which we ran very recently during IPL season. Where we ran an offer, and there was a leaderboard as well. The highest number of transaction was done will get a reward, and this is something which MoEngage also helped us to set up the leaderboard as well through personalization, right? So we were able to show banners, and we were able to promote a daily live scores to each and everyone on the app through MoEngage personalization. The audience which we cater to is very niche, right? So we have to segment the data into very small number of cohorts, and due to that we have to run multiple campaigns. So Merlin AI is something which we have also used for drafting campaigns and drafting content for these amount of cohorts, because on a weekly basis or on a monthly basis we have to push out more than 50 to 100 different campaigns to these users, right, through flows and everything. And it is not possible on weekends. If, let's say if on a weekend I want to push a campaign, then it is not possible to reach out to my marketing team on every weekend, right? So then Merlin AI is something which is helping us do that pretty quickly. So currently we have not so we are exploring, we are in stage of exploration for deploying agents in the martech stack. But definitely voice agent is something which we have already implemented, definitely not through MoEngage, but we have implemented voice agent, and we are currently in the phase of exploration to also integrate custom agents in our marketing workflows as well, right? Because flows are something which are getting very complex for us as well, because of the needs of the customer and the cross-selling products which we have. The flows are getting very complex, and this is where we would like agents to help us design the flow very specifically as per our needs.